Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City, and I want to specifically address our Tulsa market. Now, we have a wonderful agent in Tulsa. His name is Dave Momper. I've known Dave for a long time. I don't know if I'd call him a legend, but it's pretty close. He's been in this business, I think, for 45 years. He's been a broker of a large brokerage firm. He's been a Tulsa board president. He's been a state association president. In fact, we were back to back in terms of our years as OAR presidents and state presidents. Like me, he's been a regional vice president for NAR. Tremendous amount of experience, tremendous amount of knowledge. And man, the man works extremely hard for his investors. I tell you, I just couldn't be more confident. It's the only person I wanted to deal with in opening up the Tulsa market was Dave. The only person. And he's having some issues right now because builders, and I've talked about this in a previous video, builders are withholding their inventory until they get to a particular stage. And normally that's about 50% complete, maybe if it's even more. It's because of pricing. I mean, we all want to sell something. I mean, there's no question about it. We want you to build wealth. We want you to invest with us, but you know, it's not something we're trying to withhold from you. Otherwise we'd be retired. So the thing is that one of his builders right now, we're just a little bit off in our timing. It's going to take probably at least 30 days for us to get inventory because they're unsure about the supply chain. They're unsure about how prices are going on building materials because they're all over the map right now, up and down, but mostly up. So that's happening. Now we do have another builder, however. Now it's a more expensive builder, typically 260s to 290s. That's in the Tulsa market. Maybe we can even get into the low 250s, and they are a fantastic builder, and we do have that right now. Now, below that price range is the other builder. That's what we're waiting on. It is coming. So I tell you, the Tulsa market right now is just spectacular. In fact, the rental rates that we're getting on single family homes is truly amazing. Now, part of that is it's a smaller market. Now, it's still over 1 million in the metro area, but it's a smaller market than the Oklahoma City market, and it's not above the radar. Oklahoma City's kind of got above the radar, so more people are investing in the Oklahoma City market. But in Tulsa, you don't have as many investors, and that is really a good news for you because everything is supply and demand. If supply is high and demand is low, if the supply is way up there, then your rents go down, your vacancy goes up. It's not something that you want. But right now, it's the exact opposite. There is a demand at this point for rental property. There is an inventory shortage going on right now like we've never seen of homes for people to buy, and they can't find anything, or they're being outbid in multiple bid situations. So rents are going up and up and up. And because Tulsa's been off the grid in terms of being below the radar, and because the inventory is so short, right now the return on investment in Tulsa is outstanding. So we want you to consider this market. Right now, you know, we're kind of equal in terms of what's going on, but really strongly consider the Tulsa market. It's a market that's really made dynamic change here in especially the last 5 years. Huge demand for rental, good prices, outstanding rental prices. So if you're interested in Tulsa, let me help you get in contact with Dave. He'll take good care of you.